What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Whew. Oh man, I missed you guys. I know it's been a little while since I updated. If you don't know what happened, go ahead and hit the link up here and you can see what went down in the last couple weeks. But I'm back trying to get everything back to normal, which is why I'm putting out this video. I actually did record another video before the flood happened, and so I wanted to record this one first just so I can kind of, you know, get back into the swing of things. And so that one will be coming out after this one. I've actually been wanting to do this video for a little while because I've had this package here for like, I don't know, a couple months. Probably a couple months, let's see. Yeah, I've had this package for about a month and a half. I actually got it right before we moved into the house. And I wanted to do it here at the house, and then the flood happened and all that stuff. But I've got a package here, and I also have another package here that I have kind of opened already. Let's go ahead and break into these boxes first because I'm super excited about this. I got, like I said, I got this stuff before all this stuff happened with the house. I'm talking too much, man. Let me show you the first thing that I got. This is dope. I am so excited about this. Oh, look at how, woo, look at that. Yes, I've been wanting to buy one of these things for a really long time. If you guys have seen my engine bay, which is not very often for the EVO, it looks terrible, man. It's the stock valve cover for the EVO. That's one in there right now. And so I found this one. It says Evolution. It's just like the JDM EVO 7 ones that never existed on the 8s or the 9. The 9 says Myvec. The 8 kind of just looks like this. It's got the ribs on it. You'll see here in a second, but God, it's so nice. I found this brand new. I don't think Mitsubishi makes this anymore. So I found one brand new in a box still. Like the box, no joke. Box is right there. Pretty dope. Anyways, so I got this brand new. I've been wanting to do this for a while. And the reason why I bought this is because of the next box, which we're about to open up. All right, so the whole premise of this video was for that second box. I just wanted to give you guys a quick explanation because you actually don't see what's in that second box. It is a product review. That's what this video was actually originally intended for. So that will be in a different video. I had to edit out a bunch of stuff. I wanted to at least kind of show you where I was going with the video, but I promised to do a product review. I got sent that product for free. So it's not going to be in this video, it's going to be in another one. You probably kind of can figure it out if you watch the video really closely, but that's it. So you don't see the second box, guys. I'm sorry. All right, back to the video. So there's the car. Of course, things are not going as planned. Look at that, man. I am so bummed, dude. Look at this. Super broken right there. The EVO won't start. Not very happy about that. I am also not surprised, especially considering the starter is actually all the way in the bottom. If you know anything about EVOs, the starters are like right there somewhere. And of course the water got to, you know, right about there. So I'm pretty sure the starter is shot. I had a feeling something was eventually gonna give. I have more problems than I really need right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and install that anyways, and then I gotta figure out what's going on with the starter. I gotta get this car up and running. Dude, I am so bummed right now. Like, this freaking sucks, man. But I was waiting for something to happen, and that was it. That was the starter, man. The fuel pump primes and everything. The solenoid or something is just not going out, clicking over in the starter. So I gotta check all that. We're gonna take care of that first because that's what this video is about. And then we're gonna go ahead and try to figure out what's going on with the starter. It might be a different video, I don't know. I'm talking too much. Let's go ahead and knock out this thing. Dude, this engine bay looks so bad. Oh, I've got a bigger problem than I thought, guys. Holy crap, that's water. All right, well, oh my God. Oh, this isn't good, guys. Oh, this is not good. So right here, if you guys notice, that's not just oil. There's more than just, oh my God, that's not good. Dang, man, and look at the freaking cams. Look at that one. It's completely rusted. Holy crap. So I don't know what to do. This flood, man, this flood was a disaster. This flood was a freaking disaster. If you guys notice, there's all sorts of little rust marks. Sorry, my hands are covered in grease and crap right now. If you notice, this one over here, the exhaust one, it looks okay. The intake one, dude, it's freaking done for, man. Look at that. Completely rusted out. The water has 100% gotten in this engine. It still turns over though, but there's definitely water in this engine at one point or another because of the flood. All right, I'm gonna take out one of the spark plugs, or I'm gonna take all 4 of the spark plugs out actually, and I'm gonna take a look inside and see what's going on. All right, let's take a look inside the cylinders. I don't see anything crazy. Cylinders look like they are pretty normal, which is nice. I don't see any crazy buildup or slush or anything like that. That's a good sign. So the car starts up, which is a good thing. I'm gonna have to pull, oh my God, I got so much work, guys. So I'm gonna have to pull, what am I pulling here? Oh my God. I'm gonna have to pull the oil pan out and try to rinse this engine somehow. I don't know how to do that. I'm gonna call some buddies that can help me with that. And I'm sure the head is full of that freaking peanut butter gunk in it right now as well. And I'm gonna have to get some new cams. But the cylinders look good. I didn't see anything weird in it. I'm probably gonna have to get one of those little cameras and go further in and see if there's anything crazy that I'm missing on the inside. This turned into a really simple job of just replacing a valve cover to potentially rebuilding the engine. Definitely rebuilding the head, because there's probably, if I see that on the surface, it's so weird, it's just on the intake cam. It doesn't make any freaking sense, but I can't run it like that. It's just, you can't run it like that. That's crazy. Like, I can't do that. The cams are destroyed. I'm gonna have to buy new cams. But if I'm buying new cams, that also means that I'm gonna have to do a timing kit as well, the timing belt, because, well, you have to take out the timing belt to do the cams, so I might as well do that. And the problem is, I might as well do the water pump and all the pulleys as well, because it's all part of the same thing. So I got a lot of work ahead of me. That was not the point of this video, guys. Man, this flood has been a pretty, it's been pretty substantial, guys. Like, not just financially, but emotionally as well. Like, it's been very trying. But I think the car can still run. I think I can still salvage the engine. I'm gonna go ahead and put the valve cover back on the engine, and then I'm gonna have my wife help me move the car into the garage in the morning. But that means that we have to clean out the garage because it's full of stuff from the flood. I don't know when I'm gonna drive this car again. I have no freaking idea. It's gonna be a while for sure. So there's gonna be a lot of videos. I keep telling you guys more and more videos of the EVOs coming up. There is gonna be more and more videos, because at the current state, the car will not run at all whatsoever. So I got a bunch of parts to buy. I might as well just replace everything. The timing sucks. It takes me a whole weekend to do the timing job on this car. At least it did last time. I'm getting bit, man. So if you guys want to see more videos of the EVO, because there's going to be a lot more videos of the EVO coming up, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Seriously, guys, it helps me out tremendously. Hit the like button. If you don't like the video, you can dislike the button too. The down button, it works as well. Just react to the video, because the more that you react to this video, comment, like, dislike, share, all that stuff, the more that people get to see my videos. But yes, there are more videos coming up of the car, and that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I'm sorry I didn't get to put something cool on my car. Show me some love, comment below, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.